Today I'm going to lecture about utility program. Utility program programs which provide service to users. Utility programs are software programs. A utility program is a type of system software that allows users to perform maintenance type tasks. System software they use to perform functionality or functionality to compute or to help your computer to perform better, that help you to make your computer better, or demand utilities. Job of utility programs is to help the computer system running smoothly. Running smoothly. Many utility software are part of OS, Vision OS. You can allow install other utility software on computer according to your requirements. If there is no utility software on your computer, it works, but when utility software's computer becomes more reliable and its processing speed increases. Utility, it works. Computer, they know there is no utility software on your computer, it works, but when utility software's computer become more reliable and its processing speed increases, and that's bad to our computer, so that it can work it easily and processing speed increases. That's what I am saying, and let us proceed to a example of utility programs. Antivirus software, this cleaner, this conversion uninstallers, backup. Those are 10 are example of utility programs, and we're gonna do each one by one later so that you can understand easily. We have some antivirus software. A virus can be defined as malicious program that attach itself to the host program and make multiple copies of itself, slowing down, corrupting, and destroying the system, like boot, virus, trojan, and poem, etc. You can make multiple copies of itself, but slowing down and can destroy the system if you don't have antivirus software. Free software which is used to detect and remove these malicious programs from our computer is called antivirus, so we need this to our computer. This fragmenter recognizes the file and virus space on a computer's had a hard disk so that the OS access data more quickly and programs run faster. Like this. file 1, and
The system. The system.
we have space here. And this is the example of desk, the fragmentation. This cleaner programs are inbuilt in OS to find and delete unwanted files from the computer to face this space. Unwanted files may be downloaded frozen file, temporary internet files, unused. Those are the 3 unwanted files maybe. This scanner helps the user to decide what to delete when their hard disk is failed. Okay. Disk compression. Redacting of flash so that they take less space. Compressed files cannot read on edited directly. Hello, good afternoon everyone. By the way, I'm Evelyn Malones and we're gonna talk about utility program. A program that performs a specific task related to the management of computer function, resources or files, as project protection, memory management, virus protection, and file compression. Next is, what is a utility program? Utility program is a system application that executes a specific task, generally pertaining to optimal maintenance or operation of the system resource. Operating systems such as Windows, Mac OS, and Linux come with their own set of utility functions such as formatting, compressing, scanning, exploring, and much more. And we know that utility programs also assist with the management of computer functions, resources, and files. You can ensure complete password protection and keep your system viruses free using different utilities programs. And you should have to know their function too. Okay, what are the functions of utility program? System utilities. Some of the system utility programs are memory manager, antivirus and firewall, registry checker and cleaner, package installer and explorer. The second is file management utilities. Include tools such as data archivers, software backup tools, file compression tools, and managers. These utilities help user to sort out, store, and categorize file according to the requirement. Next is storage divide management utilities. Management utility programs provide solution for enhancing disk capacity, such as disk cleanup, partition management, formatting, disk space allocation, defragmentation, etc. With the help of this utility program, user can compartmentalize system and external drives for efficient management of programs and files that are stored within. And the last is miscellaneous utilities. Apart from these 3 utility program categories, there are various other programs that help in managing business operation. Let's also proceed to the common tasks performed by utility programs. Number 1. Defragmentation. Defragmentation is a process which helps reduce the amount of fragmentation in file system. Utility programs function by organizing the disk content and storing the pieces of each file together. It also helps create large amount of free space using compaction and feed the return of fragmentation. Second is disk cleanup. With the help of utility program, user can remove the unnecessary files that are taking up the space in their system. The program assists user to choose the drive, folders, or files that need to be scanned and cleaned up. By removing unused files, the system will be able to increase the storage space and optimize the overall speed of the system. Okay, let's proceed to file management. With the help of the file management program, users can perform various functions related to the file saved in the system, such as searching, renaming, opening, renaming, deleting, and grouping. This function can be executed with the help of the file management such as Windows. Compression, one of the biggest concerns of any computer system, is its storage space. With time, the limited storage space in the hard disk start getting smaller. Therefore, the help of compression programs such as WinZip and WinRAR, important yet unused files can be compressed, stored, and easily extracted when required. Disk management is one of the most vital programs that an operating system like Windows provides. With the help of the utility program, users can seamlessly manage various drives such as hard drives, optical drives, flash drive, etc. It helps user in partitioning drives, allocating spaces, format drives, and much. The last is antivirus and firewall. Antivirus and firewall programs such as Windows Defender help users protect their computers by getting infected with viruses, adware, and malware. Firewalls prevent harmful programs and files from entering the system via internet or any external hardware. On the other hand, antivirus helps in removing malicious programs and files that had infected the system. Let us know the importance of utility programs. Utility software help users configure, analyze, optimize, and maintain a computer. This software normally consists of small programs which are thought of as part of the operating system, as they often come built and with the OS. They are usually accessed through the computer's control panel, control center, settings, or system preferences. Tasks that utility software may carry out include: first is backing up and restoring. We want to know you all about the backup and restore that US can backup and restore. The OS can schedule backups to happen at a specific time and at regular intervals. Data can be backed up to other external hard disks, magnetic tape, or the other service on the internet. Cloud backup. The OS also has to be able to restore the information when everything on a hard disk is backed up. This is known as a full backup. This can take a long time, so it is possible to back up only the data which has changed since the previous backup. This is called an incremental backup. Okay, task scheduling. Most operating systems provide basic task scheduling facilities which can allow you to launch programs and scripts at predefined times. For example, you may want to schedule your OS to check your updates on a weekly basis, to launch specific application when you go log on, or to send an email to a particular group every month. Okay, defragmentation. A hard disk saves files as fragments on a disk. Even large disks may not have a single contiguous empty space large enough to hold a big file. The file is therefore saved as different parts or fragments in various locations on the disk. This means that the drive head may need to move many times when seeking fragments and will take longer to read a file. Defragmentation moves file fragments to they are next to each other on the disk. This reduces the time needed to read files. Is Microsoft Office a utility program? I think it's not, because Mr. Word is application software that is used to write letters and use it for typing books, etc. Utility software is system software designed to help to analyze, configure, optimize, or maintain a computer. What are utility programs? What makes it different compared to other programs? Utility software is software designed to help analyze, configure, optimize, or maintain a computer. It is used to support the computer infrastructure in contrast to application software, which is aimed at directly performing tasks that benefit ordinary users. What are the privileged utility programs? A privileged utility program is an application that requires elevated administrative privilege to perform the specific task. This can include endpoint security tools such as antivirus software, software updates, device or process managers, disk encryption, and software firewall. Those are the advantages of utility software. Enhances performance, manages space, manage file and data, helps to customize interface and desktop, helps to remove useless files, keep the system safe and secure, helps to remove files after a loss.